I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by building the flavor base. Mix 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, and 1 tsp mirin to create balance. Once done, grate 1 tsp fresh ginger and mince 1 clove garlic and add them for brightness and bite, because fresh aromatics cut through salt. Make sure to stir in 1 tsp sesame oil and 1/2 tsp sugar to round acidity. This small sweet note mellows the soy and ties the dip together, so the other steps can layer on texture and heat. You now focus on texture and spice. Whisk in 1 tsp toasted sesame seeds or 1/2 tablespoon tahini to give body and a nutty mouthfeel, because a thin sauce won't cling to sushi. Once mixed, add 1/2 tsp sriracha and taste. Increase gradually to avoid overpowering delicate fish. Make sure to whisk vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds to emulsify the oil and vinegar into a cohesive sauce. Then chill for about 10 minutes so flavors meld, and the dip thickens slightly. You finish by tasting and fine-tuning. Add 1 tsp chopped scallion and a 1/4 tsp toasted sesame oil drizzle for aroma, because a small finishing oil brightens flavor. Once done, transfer to small dipping bowls and keep chilled. It holds up to 24 hours but is best fresh. If the dip is too salty, make sure to adjust slowly. Stir in 1 to 2 tsp water or 1/2 tsp sugar until balanced. If too thin, whisk in a pinch more tahini or sesame seeds to thicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.